Oh, look at me. Ah!
Well, here we are. Crack crow's piss. Brake check. Oh. Yeah, it's not quite as bad as last time there, ladies and lads. Let's slide the corner there. Swing things. There we go. All right. If you're going to be out here fighting the elements, taking on Mother Nature in face-to-face combat, hand-to-hand situation, you're going to need to know your enemy, and you're going to want to learn them good. Let's check this out here. This is fresh fallen powder here, fresh overnight. Smells like St. Catharines, Ontario. Tastes like Windsor. Just came in from the west. This is my enemy from the west. I'll get to know her so well, you'd think our mothers went to high school together. By the time I'm done with her, you'd think we were neighbors from preschool. We're gonna know each other so well, the ins and outs of each other. Almost like from the inside out on each other. We're gonna be best of pals in a way that enemies are. Follow me around here. I'm gonna give you a few tips and tricks that we use in the trade here. And you might notice the blade. You might notice how the blade, you might notice how the snow just falls right off this blade. That's because before we came out here today, I emptied an entire can of cooking spray on this blade. And this is beneficial in multiple ways. The snow slides right off the unit here. But let's say you're coming across outside and you're gonna bang a drifter. Well, you might want your unit to be lubricated properly for a slick penetration. You don't want to have any issues there. And the reason I use the cooking spray is sometimes once I get it going, I warm the blade up, I could smell pancakes from the cab of the truck. Now you could also use French fry oil if you prefer the smell of French fries. I prefer sweet breakfast snacks. That's why I go with the scent of pancakes on my blade. A firmly lubricated unit for penetrating every time I want to bang a drifter. If I'm out on the job, decide I need to bang a drifter, I want my unit lubricated properly for a slick penetration. Your unit's not properly lubricated, you can turn it into a friction issue, okay? A friction issue with your front end unit is a lot like a firm soccer kick right in the home team. Nobody likes a soccer kicked in the home team bits, boys. Let's keep our stick on the ice. Let's have fun tonight on this plow run. Come along with me. I used to be in a gang, Backdrag Boys. We sung pop songs. It was called the Backdrag Boys. Just drag her back, take her truck, pound her into the wall. Get in there good without hitting it. Oh, you don't want to get about 1 centimeter off the wall, folks. Then slam your blade, drag her back, the Backdrag Boys. Make sure your arse end doesn't slam into the face of one of those other vehicles, because nobody likes to slam their face into an arse end. These internet plow boys probably don't know nothing about Backdrag Boys. Internet plow lad, Backdrag Boy. Big difference. We do this. You guys talk about it. You guys sit on the internet and you talk about doing this. You see me right here? Watch this. Yeah, I'm doing it. That's me. That's me doing it. That's me right here doing this right now. Well, you're right there doing that right now. Get a job, boys. I mean, does your mother have to wake you up? Hey, son, does your mother have to wake you up and say, Jimmy, get to work. I need that rent money this month. You never paid last month. Get out of bed, boys. Get off the computer. Get a job. Buy a fucking plow rig. Slam it into a bank. Change friggin' somebody's life. We're not out here doing this for self-glory. I do this for the betterment of the people. I do this to make everybody around me happy. Especially women. They love plow boys. That's one thing that you fake plow boys will never understand about a real plow boy. I'm out here using this blade to fight off the wards of the cold weather. Because I got no choice. People depend on me. You guys are sitting at home. You're not doing nothing. You're waiting on a call from Jimmy to say we need you to come in. And even when they show up, Jimmy says, I wish I didn't have to call this guy. He's a total prick. But that's okay, because we don't freaking get mad at you for that. We don't hold a grudge for that. Once you spend 10,000 hours wheeling a plow truck, it takes a lot to get you going. Arch the face on another vehicle, that'll get you going. Hard sportsman. I think he's out here strictly for the sportsmanship of it. He's got nowhere to be. I think this is a simple coffee. They don't know this is manpower at work. Yeah, so what? Gotta do a 3-point turn back up to the window because I got a fucking giant snowplow. Hello. I'm surprised that went through. That was a whopping $2 Canadian. I've been fired from so many jobs on account of slamming snowbanks that I could hardly afford that $2 Tim Dog. I wish this was a roll up the rim. I might make my money back, because then I feel like a gambler. Right now, I just feel like I've wasted money. It's never a waste when you're gonna fuel the machine, you know? It's like a wagon trail. Slippery when wet. Jesus, buddy. He's gonna have to back up because I told you before, this ram don't frickin' stop for nothing. But we'll give him a wave. We'll go ram to ram on him. Thanks, big brother. He smiled at me. I don't know if he likes me or if he was happy to see my nice truck. I'm going to tell you one of the hidden tricks of the trade right here. It's called perfect environment. Now, when you're out here plowing, you're going to want to keep yourself in the perfect environment, which means you're going to need your window all the way down and your heat all the way up. Now, this is going to create the perfect vortex of hurricane weather right below your nose, right there while you're driving. It's just like Hurricane Sandy right here inside the truck. Just like Dorian right here under my chin. You know, you get the window all the way down and the heat all the way up. It's just like a regular everyday summer day out there in Newfoundland. Just like an everyday in Newfoundland. You got the winter and you got the summer hitting right there in the exact same 1 minute. Just like my boys in Newfoundland are dealing with every damn day. Spend 8 hours sitting just like this. Vortex under your face. Makes you feel like a real Newfoundlander. Oh yeah. I can feel that blade rub the ground. It's just like the gentle caress of a woman. Nothing feels better than that blade hit the ground. Just like the cold hands of Jesus rubbing you right in the warmest spot you got. Right here, look at the pleasure. Down. Oh, God. Feel that blade rub the pavement, baby. That's like a therapeutic massage on my frontal brain lobes. There he is. Hard at it.